Footage of winter storm on January 6, 2025.
And this seems to be getting worse today. All in just a few minutes.
Heavy snow and freezing rain brought widespread disruption across Europe on Sunday, particularly in the UK and Germany, with several major airports forced to suspend flights. With the weather set to stay inclement on Sunday in the UK, there are concerns that many rural communities, particularly in the north of England, could be cut off, with up to 40 centimetres (15 inches) of snow on the ground above 300 meters (985 feet). Many roads have been preemptively closed by local authorities, but stranded vehicles and collisions have caused disruption elsewhere. A number of UK train services were cancelled, with National Rail warning of disruption continuing into the working week.
You gotta love a dynamic duo. There's my mom, fully suited up. And there's Terry. Oh, looks like shorts to me.
Britain's main weather forecaster, the Met Office, says sleet and snow will continue to push north on Sunday and will be heaviest in northern England and into southern Scotland. After experiencing freezing rain, which occurs when super cold rain freezes on impact, the south will turn milder. The Environment Agency has also issued 8 flood warnings across southern England on the Taw and Avon rivers. Snow and ice were also causing havoc in Germany, where a bout of wintry weather is spreading from the southwest. Authorities have issued black ice warnings for drivers and pedestrians, advising people to stay home where possible. In USA, a blast of snow, ice, wind and plunging temperatures stirred up dangerous travel conditions in parts of the central U.S. on Sunday, as a disruptive winter storm brought the possibility of the heaviest snowfall in a decade to some areas. Snow and ice blanketed major roadways in nearly all of Kansas, western Nebraska and parts of Indiana, where the state's National Guard was activated to help any motorists who were stuck. At least 8 inches of snow were expected, particularly north of Interstate 70, as the National Weather Service issued winter storm warnings for Kansas and Missouri, where blizzard conditions brought wind gusts of up to 45 miles per hour, 72.42 kilometers per hour. The warning extended to New Jersey for Monday and into early Tuesday. About 63 million people in the U.S. were under some kind of winter weather advisory, watch or warning on Sunday, according to Bob Oravec with the National Weather Service. Gary Wright wore a parka as he chipped away at a thick coating of ice on his SUV Sunday in a slippery apartment parking lot in mid-Missouri. He said he will work remotely for the University of Missouri-Columbia on Monday, but wanted to scrape off his vehicle as an excuse to spend a little time in the snow. He's also in the market for boots for his 2 older dogs, who won't budge at all when their paws hit the cold ground. In Kentucky, Louisville recorded 7.7 inches, 19.5 centimeters, of snow on Sunday, a new record for the date that shattered the previous mark of 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters, set in 1910. Lexington, Kentucky, also set a snowfall record, with 5 inches, 12.7 centimeters. Parts of upstate New York saw 3 feet, 0.9 meters, or more of snow from a lake effect event expected to last until late Sunday afternoon. The storm was forecast to move into the Ohio Valley and reach the mid-Atlantic states later Sunday and into Monday, with a hard freeze expected as far south as Florida. Damaging winds brought down trees across the deep south. The Weather Service issued tornado warnings Sunday in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. Meanwhile, in Canada, parts of southern Ontario could receive snowfall between 20 to 40 centimeters or more by Sunday, Environment Canada warns. Lake effect snow from Lake Huron and Georgian Bay is expected to become heavier throughout Saturday, the weather agency said in an alert Saturday morning. The following areas are under a snow squall warning: Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Barrie, Collingwood, Hillsdale, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orillia. More than 40 centimeters of snow is possible if snow squalls stay in one area, Environment Canada said. Heavy and blowing snow may suddenly reduce visibility to near zero. People are advised to consider postponing non-essential travel until the weather improves. Snow squalls should become less intense on Sunday, Environment Canada said. To the north, Bracebridge and Gravenhurst are also under snow squall warnings, with 15 to 25 centimeters of snow or more expected to begin falling Saturday afternoon. While Toronto is not under a weather warning, the city opened its warming centers on Friday, as temperatures were expected to drop below -5°C. Temperatures fell to -4°C overnight, according to data recorded at Toronto Pearson International Airport.
Half an hour ago, it was sunny, and now it's just dropping it.